this week we are downtown at Bistro 1907 with Mark Canzonetta, getting ready for one of my favorite holidays.
One of my favorite holidays.
And I think people have a misnomer. They think Mardi Gras is Fat Tuesday.
It is not.
Mardi Gras is a giant stretch leading up to Fat Tuesday, right?
It is.
And
Fat Tuesday ends it, and typically on that day you have red beans and rice.
And then Ash Wednesday begins.
Exactly. And then we go into Lent.
And we're going to celebrate it here at the Bistro from February 26th all the way to
Sunday,
March the 10th.
March the 10th. So Mardi Gras, New Orleans, and that's how you say it, New Orleans.
Yeah.
You know, big influential city there from a culinary standpoint. A lot of influences. It was a port city back in the day, so you have the Africans, you have the Parisians from France, you have all the native Creoles and Acacians. So you have all those different, because of it being a port city, all those influences of food. It goes crazy. It's like fusion on steroids down there. I love it because it's a little bit spicy.
And when you mix them together, it's
just delicious. It's just delicious. So we're gonna start off with one of my favorite dishes, and that is chicken and andouille sausage jambalaya.
Me too.
Okay, I just love that dish. We're gonna use some andouille sausage, some chicken thigh. We got some blonde roux to thicken it all up. We got the Trinity. You know, in French cooking, you have mise en place. Right? You have the mirepoix. Now we have the Trinity, which is celery, onion, and bell pepper. We're going to start off with some canola oil in the pan, just like that.
It seems like all dishes kind of start with those sautéing together.
They do. They absolutely do. But we're gonna lay down the sausage first because we want to get some caramelization on that.
Okay.
So we're gonna lay down the sausage. We're gonna lay down the chicken thigh, and now we got to season it. So we want to season it, and you need the 3 peppers. You need cayenne pepper, you need black pepper, and you need white pepper because it affects your palate in different ways. So do you like it spicy, or medium spicy?
Medium.
So we're going to go a little bit of spicy. You got to watch the white pepper and the cayenne because that white pepper actually has more burn than cayenne pepper.
Is that right?
It does. So we're going to put the cayenne pepper down.
Okay.
We're going to put some black pepper down. We're going to season that with a little bit of garlic, granulated garlic. I don't do that very often. I usually use fresh, but in this dish I like it. Some salt. And we're going to stir this all together, and we're going to get this nice and brown. We're going to stir it until it's nice and brown and caramelized. We're going to add our Trinity, the bell pepper, the onion, and the celery. And we're just going to stir this, and as Emerald would say, we're going to make it get happy.
Yeah, that's right.
We're going to get all these spices together and all these flavors together, and we're going to make them get happy. Okay, with this, we want to add a little bit of roux. We don't have time on the show today to develop the roux, but it's a mixture of fat and oil cooked until it smells nutty. We're going to add some of this. This is called blonde roux. We're going to add some blonde roux, and we're just going to stir that in. And then we're going to add some chicken stock to this. And we're going to bring that to a boil, and we're going to let that simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. We're going to add a couple bay leaves, get that flavor in there, and it's going to make a nice, rich stew. Now we need a base for that stew.
Okay.
So we're going to come back over here. We're going to put some oil down in the pan. We're definitely going to add some more of that andouille sausage, but we're making dirty rice.
Okay.
So we want it to look dirty, so we ground up that sausage. We're going to put the sausage down. Again, the Trinity, celery, onion, bell pepper.
This is all. You know what's good about this is, like, it's good a day after. You could do this the first day
after, for sure.
and just let it sit there and soak up all the flavors and stuff.
Just like chili. A couple bay leaves. Again, we're going to add those 3 peppers. We're not going to make this quite as spicy because you got the andouille sausage in there already. That's got some spice. So a pinch of the 3 peppers. A pinch of salt. We're going to stir it, again making it happy. So the important thing when you're making rice, you want to make sure that you're using, if I'm going to use 1 cup of rice, which we're going to do, and this is just good old Uncle Ben's rice. We are then going to add 2 cups of liquid to that. So it's a 2-to-1 ratio. That's going to bring it up and make your perfect rice. So we just want to take this rice, cover it, 2 cups. We're going to bring that to the boil, turn it down to a simmer, and when we come back, we're going to put the 2 together, and we're also going to make one of your favorite drinks.
The Hurricane?
The Hurricane.
You only need 1.
You only need 1.
And sometimes a half of 1, too.
Well, or 1.5.
Yeah, there you go. Be back at Bistro 1907 in a second. We are back, and this smells amazing, right?
Wow.
I know. It burns it a little bit.
Burns a little bit.
Yes, it feels
Smells great. You got all those wonderful spices in there. Black pepper, white pepper, cayenne pepper. You got the andouille sausage, the Holy Trinity. Chicken thighs, chicken stock, and we have the dirty rice. So we're going to make a plate for you.
Let's eat.
Are you hungry?
Yeah, I'm hungry.
Because I understand this is your favorite dish.
Can we go rice?
Yeah, go rice.
In the middle?
Right in the middle.
Okay.
So give me 2 or 3 scoops.
Okay.
So take that beautiful dirty rice. Look how perfectly that came out. And now we're gonna scoop over that wonderful jambalaya. Look at that. All the colors, all the flavors. Oh, the andouille sausage is just the best.
You don't get it all year
I have a
round,
friend down in New Orleans, and I hope to go visit him soon. His name is Ron Onion Walker.
Onion?
Onion.
Yeah.
And my buddy is dear to my heart, and we're just going to garnish that with a little bit of chives or scallions, whatever you want to do.
Okay.
And now I'm going to make you a drink, Mike.
This is the drink.
You got spice. Now you got to have something cold to cool down.
Quench my palate.
And your favorite drink again is the Hurricane, so we're going to start that off.
I was there one day. I remember.
Yep, right. We're going to put an ounce of Myers Dark rum.
Okay.
We're going to put a ½ ounce of Southern Comfort.
My question's going to be, what makes this taste so good? It doesn't taste
Part of
like
it's the atmosphere where you're at.
I know, but it doesn't taste like these liquors.
Right, it doesn't.
When you taste
That's the hidden punch you in the back of the head. When you feel that tickle, it's all those liquors. We're going to add some strawberry puree. We're going to add some house-made sour mix. And we're going to give this a shake. About 20 times.
10.
Say when. That's
20.
good. All right. Want to strain that off. Our rocks glass, a little nice garnish. And how about this Mardi Gras celebration we're about to have, my friend?
The Hurricane is here.
How's the jambalaya?
It's so good.
Cheers, everybody.
Thank you. Happy Mardi Gras.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's good. That'll kill you.